Antoine is a prominent jeweler. Each day he creates new and unique shapes from the precious metals that are his starting point and inspiration. These pieces are often produced in small quantities. Ed designs parts for the next generation of aircraft engines. His parts must be lightweight and resistant at extremely high temperatures. Marie is an experienced dental surgeon. Her work requires innovative precision surgical instruments involving complex geometry, manufactured from biocompatible material that can also withstand the sterilization process. Andrew researches new ceramic materials to produce miniature electronic components. Every day, thousands of designers in various industries are working, improving existing products. Others are simply imagining the breakthrough products of tomorrow. These designer developers are constantly faced with more and more pressure to get products to market faster, to enhance performance, aesthetics, and functionality, and above all, to reduce costs. When it comes right down to it, all these products go through the same cycle: design, prototype, market launch, growth phases, maturity, and ultimately decline. New product designers must strike the right balance between form, function, material, and cost. This balance varies depending on the number of pieces produced as well as the production procedure. The challenge is to properly produce one single piece or a million. In fact, increased production volumes impact production procedures, which in turn impact the final material's structural composition and design. This, of course, means significant additional costs and production delays. Maetta, a Canadian company located in Quebec, decided to do things better by resolving to develop production solutions based on metallic and ceramic powders. Solutions that could take any innovation from design through to any stage of development. Powder injection consists of mixing alloy powders with polymer binders. This mixture melts at low temperatures and can then be injected into molds, forming the part or piece desired. Following that, the molded piece goes through a process that removes the binders from the final alloy. Ultimately, the piece undergoes a thermal centering in order to provide the piece with its complete physical and mechanical properties. Powder injection production has enjoyed a boom over the last decade, first and foremost for its efficiency in high-volume production. Yet, despite an impressive list of advantages, production by powder injection has, until now, not been very competitive in terms of prototype and small-volume production costs. This has always been because the technique is systematically dispensed with during a product's initial life cycle, and then, of course, inevitably absent from the rest of a product's growth and maturity phases. However, now, Maetta has innovative solutions for this as well. Maetta develops powder mixtures and specialized equipment that right from the start quickly and efficiently produce prototypes with the exact same properties, forms, and materials as the parts or pieces that are ultimately produced in small and large volumes. In addition to meeting important needs across many industrial sectors, the technology and procedures developed by Maetta contribute to a more efficient use of materials and energy. Also, metallic powders can be obtained from recycled material. Rejected pieces are simply reintroduced into the chain, eliminating waste. What's more, this technology is much more environmentally friendly than competing procedures. With all these benefits and new possibilities, Maetta would now like to invite you to let your imagination take shape.